Today, we're going to learn about communicating our feelings. We all have feelings every day, and talking about them helps others understand us. Sharing how we feel can help us feel supported, connected, and cared for. It's a skill that everyone can practice. Every person has feelings that are important. Sometimes we feel excited, proud, worried, disappointed, or calm. Whatever we're feeling, it deserves kindness and understanding. When we share our feelings with someone we trust, we give others the chance to understand and support us. Using feeling words helps people understand us better. We might say, "I'm happy," "I'm nervous," "I'm frustrated," or "I'm excited." The more words we learn, the easier it becomes to explain what's happening inside instead of keeping our feelings to ourselves. Sometimes people cannot tell how we're feeling just by looking at us. They may not know if we're sad, worried, or excited unless we tell them. When we use our words, we help others understand what we need and how they can help. Trusted adults, teachers, family members, and good friends can be wonderful people to talk with. When we tell someone we trust how we're feeling, they can listen, encourage us, or help us solve a problem together. We don't have to do everything alone. Sometimes our feelings become so big that we aren't sure what to do. That's a great time to ask for help. Saying something like, "I'm feeling upset," or "Can you help me?" lets others know we're ready for support. Communicating feelings also means listening when someone else shares theirs. We can look at them, listen carefully, and let them finish speaking. Listening with kindness helps people feel heard, respected, and understood. Everyone deserves someone who listens with care. Talking about our feelings helps us build stronger friendships. When people understand each other, it's easier to help, encourage, and care for one another. Honest conversations help everyone feel included, connected, and valued. Sharing feelings brings people closer together. Communicating feelings gets easier with practice. You won't always know exactly what to say, and that's okay. Every time you practice using feeling words, asking for help, or listening to someone else, you're becoming a stronger communicator and caring friend. Today, we learned that communicating our feelings helps others understand us. We can use feeling words, talk to trusted people, ask for help when feelings are big, and listen kindly to others. Every time we practice, we build stronger friendships and caring connections with the people around us. Thanks for learning with us today. Please help our channel grow by hitting that like button and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Great job learning today, and we'll see you next time.